Good afternoon, my dear students. As you know that in the last video we discussed about present tense. Today let us we are going to study about past tense. Okay. So here in the past tense there are four types: simple past tense, simple past tense. Second one is simple past tense. Second one is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Then third one is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Then fourth one is past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so these are the four types: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, then past perfect continuous tense. Okay. So what does this past tense means? Okay, it tells about any action which is completed in the past. Okay, now but it has it completed in the past. ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮುಗಿದಿರ್ತದೆ ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇದರ ಮೊದಲು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, so that is past, simple past tense. Okay, so here four types: simple past, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, as well as past perfect continuous tense. Here in simple past, okay, here in this past tense, each and every tense has its own formula. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್? ಈಗ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಯಾವುದು? ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ verb to plus object. My dear students, very important. In simple present tense, ನೋಡಿ simple present tense ಅಲ್ಲಿ same formula but verb change. Okay, simple present tense formula. Simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, but here in the simple past tense, subject plus verb 2 plus object. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ verb 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ, second verb. Then what is verb 2? I am going to write out here verb 2. For example, go, went, gone. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. Verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. Here, what is verb 1? Ready? Go. This one is went. This one is gone. Go, went, gone. Verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3. Ready? Play. 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 And play. Same. Okay, second and third. So here, really, this verb 2, went, go, went, gone, play, played, played, went as well as played. Okay, these are the verb 2. Okay, really, went ಮತ್ತು played ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ. So this verb 2, it is only this verb 2, it is only used in a simple past ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ಸಾದಾ ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ವರ್ಬ್ ಟು ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಬ್ 1, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಬ್ 2. ಓಕೆ, ಗೋ, ವೆಂಟ್, ಗಾನ್, ಕಮ್, ಕೇಮ್, ಕಮ್, ಕೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕೇಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, I will write down one example. What is subject? Subject. Nodi. You may use I or we, you, they, he, she, it. Name of the, you can use name of the person, place, things. Okay. Rama, Sita, whatever. Okay, Rama, whatever the name of the person, place, things you can use. Ready? I, we, you, they, he, she, it, Rama or Sita, whatever. Here second word. Okay, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, Rama and Sita. Word 2 is when. Object to market. Nodi, I went to market, we went to market, you went to market, they went to market, he went to market, she went to market, it went to market, Rama went to market, and Sita went to market. So there is no helping verb here in simple present tense. There is no helping verb. We need not to use helping verb in simple present tense as well as in simple past tense. There are no helping verbs. Here directly we can use verb to. Here only. In the past continuous tense as well as in present continuous tense, we may use some different kinds of helping verb for these person. Nodi, I, you, he, she, they idella alli helping verb nodi. Present continuous tense alli enagtade I am, we are. Okay, here we use different kinds of helping verbs in present continuous tense, but in simple past tense no helping verb. Directly we use second word and the object. So this is a positive sentence. I went, we went, you went, they went, he went, she went, it went. Okay, Rama or Sita, they went. We use, this is a positive sentence. Idu positive iddaga how do we change this as a negative? Nodi, I went to market. Positive sentence. Positive sentence. I went to market. Nanu market ಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. I went to market. My dear students, please try to remember these formula. These steps are very important. If you want to score above 99, please try to remember these techniques, these helping verbs, these verbs and these formula. There are no helping verbs in this tense. Simple present tense illa. Next present continuous tense alli bartade. But here this is a positive sentence. I went to market. Nodi, ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ? Not now. Present tense ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. So it is in the past tense. ಯಾವುದು? ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ. ನೋಡಿ, I went to market. ನಾನು ಹೋದೆ. There is a difference between present perfect tense as well as simple past tense. Present perfect ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. For example, I went to market. Present perfect tense. I have gone to market. Nodi, see here, this is present perfect tense. I have gone to market. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ right now ಈಗ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾನ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ this one positive simple past tense. I went to market. Positive sentence. I went to market ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗಿನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾನ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಇದು ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾನ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ನಾಳೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋದೆ. ಏನೋ ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋದೆ ಇವಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹೋದೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಷೇಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಿತು ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಷೇಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್, what we have to do is that we have to change, we have to add ಒಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ is there. Okay, before second verb we have to add helping verb. ಯಾವುದು? did. ನೋಡಿ did. Sometimes do the past form is did. We use this do ಅನ್ನ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಐ ಡಿಡ್. ಸಿ do the second past form is, the past form of do is did. I did. So here this helping verb is second verb. Okay, this is second verb. So already one helping verb did ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ one helping verb past tense ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ went ಅನ್ನ past tense ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಬಾರದು. We should not use went as went. We have to change went into second verb into first verb. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ did ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ go ಬಂತು. I did. Okay, I did. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಷೇಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? I did not go to market. ನೋಡಿ I did not go to market. I did not go to market. This is a negative sentence. Negative sentence, it doesn't mean that. So ಇದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಷೇಧಾತ್ಮಕ. Okay, work has not done. Okay, ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? in the past tense. In the past tense ನೋಡಿ I did not go to market. ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. I did not go to market. Then if you want to change it as an interrogative sentence, this is positive sentence, this is negative sentence, then interrogative. Interrogative is nothing but question. Okay, question. That is a ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕ ವಾಕ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ how do we change? Very simple steps are there. ನೋಡಿ there is a formula, simple past tense formula. By following this formula we can construct one meaningful sentence in simple present tense. Then after that this is a positive, this is a positive sentence. I went to market. The negative sentence, I did not go to market. Okay, here is a not, here is a helping verb. I did not go to market. ಹೋಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Then if you want to change it as an interrogative, ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕ ಅಂತ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ it's there is simple rule that see helping verb into subject, then subject into helping verb. ನೋಡಿ helping verb ಅನ್ನ subject ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ did. Okay, did. Then this is a subject. Did I go to market? Did I go to market? ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನಾ ಅವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, did I go to market? ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಾನು sentence into interrogative sentence. Helping verb into subject and subject into helping verb. Did I go to market? Then after this, if you want to change it as negative plus interrogative, negative plus interrogative. You know it. Here, did ಏನಲ್ಲ very simple. After subject, we have to add not. ನೋಡಿ, negative plus question ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೇನಾ? Yes. Did I not go to market? ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲವಾ? Okay. Did I not go to market? So here, this is negative plus interrogative. Did I not go to market? ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. So here, this is positive sentence, this is negative sentence, then this one is interrogative sentence, then negative plus interrogative sentence. So we are going to discuss about next sentence, that is WH question. WH question. So what we have to do is to change it as a WH question. WH question is nothing but the question which begin with the word why, when. WH words why, when, which, where. Okay. This is positive, negative, interrogative sentence, negative plus interrogative sentence. Then WH question. WH question. See here. Did I go to market? ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದೆನಾ? There is an interrogative sentence. What we have to do is that if you want to change it as an interrogative sentence, ಇದನ್ನ WH question ಅನ್ನು change ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ what we have to do is we have to use WH word before interrogative sentence. ನೋಡಿ, interrogative sentence. Why did I? ನೋಡಿ, interrogative sentence. What is the interrogative sentence? Did I go to market? ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದೆನಾ? Did I go to market? Why did I go to market? ನಾನು ಏಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಅವಾಗ? ನಿನ್ನೆ. Okay, ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. Why did I go to market? Then you may use another word, another WH word, that is when did I go to market? ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 2 ಗಂಟೆಗಳ ಮೊದಲಿನಿಂದ ಇದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ? When did I go to market? Okay, if you want to change that, you can use WH word. How did I? ನೋಡಿ, you can change. You use add only WH words before interrogative sentence. Okay, interrogative sentence ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು WH word ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ how did I go to market? ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ? Then where did I go? To where? To market. Answer is market. Where did I go? That's it. Okay, so this is about positive, negative, interrogative and negative plus interrogative and WH question. The last one is question tag. Okay, question tag. Question tag ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, what is a positive sentence? Positive, I went to market. Okay, ಇದು I went to market ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು question tag ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ didn't. Okay, didn't I? ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲವಾ? Didn't I? ನೋಡಿ, didn't I? So this is about question tag. So my dear students, simple, try to remember this tense. This is a past tense. It tells about any action which is completed in the past. Okay, ಭೂತಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. Simple past, then formalize verb, subject plus verb plus object. Then here verb 1 is go, verb 2 went, verb 3. ಈ verb to form ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, this verb to form, we use this verb to form in only ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಈ ವರ್ಕ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ I think I have already told you that. So there is a difference between present perfect as well as simple past tense. Present perfect ಇವಾಗ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ, I have gone to market. ಈಗ simple past tense I went to market, ನಾನು ಆವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. Simple past I went to market. Negative sentence I did not go to market. Interrogative sentence did I go to market. Negative plus interrogative did I not go to market. Then WH question why did I go to market. Nodi why did I go to market. Then when did I go. Use WH word before interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು, WH question ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ use WH word why, when, how, where. Then question type ನೋಡಿ positive sentence I went to market, didn't I. ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ I went to market, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Then if it is a negative sentence I did not go to market. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ did I. If it is a negative it not plus double. If it is positive we have to use here not. Didn't I. So this is about simple past tense. My dear students, try to remember that there are no helping word. Okay, there are no helping word to be used in simple past tense. Simple past tense ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ helping verbs ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಳಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So it is about simple past tense. My dear student, in the next video we are going to study about past continuous tense. Thank you.